Hi, this is Taylor from the Freeport Community Library, here to tell you how to make one of your bracelets, FCL's version. So first, plan out your bead placement. Then string your beads onto your string. If the beads are sliding off, you can knot one end to help. Keep stringing your beads until they look the way you would like, and if you would like to keep the beads in place on the string, just tie a knot near them. When you're finished, tie the two strings together to make the bracelet. It might be helpful for another person to help you. Make sure it's the right size and not too big. It is stretchy string, so it might help to make it on the smaller side. Then wear your bracelet or share it with a friend. That's it. We made our bracelet with the initials FCL for Freeport Community Library. Stay tuned to the end of the video or skip ahead to see what other Freeport business we made an initial bracelet for. A hint is that it's a place that sells very fun things. See if you can figure it out.